Actually, I have some questions. Should I go with Employee Central starting or any other modules from the starting?
See, Employee Central is it is a core module.
Okay.
Employee Central is like in SAP HCM, means we have
Hmm.
OMPA, time, payroll, right? Like that, it
Yeah.
is a Employee Central is a module in SuccessFactors. In Employee
Okay.
Central, before Employee Central, we will cover means introduction to mastery.
Okay.
Before Employee Central means in that only in means irrespective of any module we are going to learn, this introduction to mastery will be there.
Okay.
Okay. Introduction to mastery means okay we will cover up means introduction to cover means what is a total home page setup and what is the data models, okay, and role based permissions, logo settings, okay, and upgradation centers, okay, set navigation and home page and admin center, okay, and provisioning system settings and introduction to instance and implementation methodologies. Okay, these are the basic things. Irrespective of any module we are going to learn, we have to learn that one. Means RBP. RBP means it is means we will call in SAP HCM security. Security. RBP means role based permission means security like in SAP HCM.
Okay.
And what are the actions? Okay, admin creations and in the provision system also how we will create the super admin and proxy functionality and pick list. Pick list means it will be proxy functionality, right?
Yeah.
And pick list management means it is means we will call generally drop down list where we
Okay.
will use in a SAP F4, right? Means drop down like that is the
Hmm.
pick list configuration and email notification template settings means for every notification means whatever we are going to send, okay, example we are applying for the leave, okay, that for that, okay, then one notification means one email should be get triggered for every everything, okay, we will get email notification templates. So that setting we
Okay.
will see in that. Then and password login functionality. Then we will start to employee profile. Employee profile and employee central, it will be both. Means when it was not there, this employee central, okay, this is the employee profile. Means it will give the snapshot of the
Information about the
employee,
employee.
snapshot of the yeah, means basic details. It
Okay.
will provide of the employee means even though if it is employee center
Yes.
not there, okay, irrespective of any
Okay.
module there means there are the talent management modules, right? Means LMS,
Hmm.
recruitment, PMGM. If they want anything details about the employee, they will come to employee
Hmm.
profile and they will pick the data.
Okay.
That is the reason we will maintain here. Means even though if we have employee central, we will sync the details from employee central to employee profile. Through there is a one tool is there, HRIS synchronization tool. Through that tool, okay, we will sync that one. Otherwise, if you don't have employee central, okay, they are using only talent management modules. Okay, we will get from the third party system. Third party means okay, they may be using any PeopleSoft or Oracle or like SAP ERP only. If they are using means okay, we will get the means what will tell mini master data. Okay, we will get from the third party system through UDF file, user data file. That should be we have
What
to
is a
save
third
in the
party integration?
sorry.
What is third party and what is third party integration?
Third party integration means see they are using
Yeah.
only in the success factor they are using only talent management modules. Examples, okay, they are using performance PMGM means performance management, goal management, recruitment and LMS. They are not using employee center. Example, okay.
Okay. Okay.
Then
Okay.
we have to get the data, right? Employee data. That
Yeah.
data they are using the third party system means okay there is a core data it will be Maybe they may be using PeopleSoft or Oracle or ERP, anything like SAP. Example, take as a SAP. Okay, just
Like on
from that
premise.
from that system we will get the data through
Okay.
UDF file. You have to provide the UDF file. In that they will give that one data, and that we have to store in that. That it will store in this employee profile. Then when the talent management modules means like the performance management, goal management, LMS, recruitment, when they want data, they will come to employee profile and they will pick the data. That's the reason this is the important of the snapshot of, it will provide the snapshot of the employee data.
Hmm.
In employee profile, okay, we will see that one employee profile setup and public profile. It is recently it's a public profile. Before it was not public profile. It is we will call as a PP3. It is a public profile and badges and standard background portraits and succession data model and employee import and export means instead of doing synchronization we can do import and export means we can download the templates and we can export and we can import and user import and export means whenever we will clear that example means info means it will download the UDF file. It will download the UDF file instead of creating. Okay, example we want to create at a time just 100 users. Okay, in the instant we have to create one by one, right? Instead of doing that one, we can download this template. We can download this template and at a time we can create and we can import. We can export this template and at a time we can create and we can import this one.
Input.
And yeah,
Okay.
this role-based permissions. Role-based permissions means what kind of authorization, okay, we will call as authorization in SAP, right? What kind of authorization we would like to give based on the employee position. Based on the employee position, what kind of authorization we want to give. And people profile means in the front end home page. This we will see. Then it will come
Okay.
to employee center. It will come to employee center. This is the core module. This is the core module. Employee center overview, and we will see that means end user demo and employee center proficiency setting and performance management modules and foundation objects. What are the foundation objects? Okay, and what is the employment objects? What are the MDF objects? Can you hear me? Hello, 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 hello.
Hello, hello,
Yeah,
hello,
tell me.
Stalin, are you there? Yeah.
Yeah,
Just a second. Even I'm not hearing her voice.
yeah. Can you
Hello?
see?
I'm calling her. Just a second.